Good afternoon. Did you try the
Afternoon, sir.
remaining questions? Did you try these questions simplify? No.
Sir, I have a doubt on a question, sir.
Question number?
Good morning, sir.
Which
Sir,
question,
not this
Shobhan?
one, sir.
Okay.
Sir, not this one, sir.
Hmm.
It is on division, sir.
Okay.
81x cube
81x cube
bracket
into
50x square
50x square.
minus 98
Okay.
divided by
Hmm.
27x square
All right.
whole 5x plus 7.
To the power.
Open bracket 5x plus 7.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in a 50x square minus 98, sir, we should take common, sir.
Two common.
Which one is common? 2 is
Yes,
common.
sir. We can take common.
We should
25
take
x
on
whole
common,
square
sir.
minus 49.
So if 2 is taken out, it will be 25x square minus 49
25x square minus 49, sir.
divided
Yes, sir.
by
49, sir.
27x square times of 5x plus 7.
Sir, 25x square minus 49, sir, we can convert it into a square minus b square plus a square minus b square.
So we can cancel them,
So
sir.
this can be written as 5x whole square minus 7 square.
Yes, sir.
So it is like a
Yes,
square
sir.
minus b square, a plus b into a minus b.
Yes, sir.
Here we can
Sir, it is,
simplify. 27 3 times is 81.
yes, sir.
X
Sir,
square
it is
Yes, sir.
only,
will
X.
get cancelled,
yes,
only
sir.
x remains. So
Yes, sir.
3 into
Get,
2 is
yes,
6x multiplied to
And
5x plus 7 into 5x minus 7. In the denominator we have 5x plus 7.
5x plus 7.
They get
6x
cancelled.
multiplied to 5x minus 1.
6x
sir.
multiplied to 5x minus 7, sir.
Shobhan, this is the answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, next question, sir.
You have one more doubt.
Yes, sir. Two questions, sir, totally.
Okay, sir. What is the question?
Sir, 44
Hmm?
bracket open
Into
x power 4
okay,
minus 5x power 3
okay. Okay, go ahead. What next? Shobhan, you there? Are you there, Shobhan?
A plus,
no minus 24x square
Divided by
divided by 22x
hmm,
open bracket
hmm.
x minus 8.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. In the numerator, if you observe, we can take x square as common.
X is a common. Yes, sir.
X
X
square
yes,
is
sir.
as
We can
common.
common.
take x as a common, sir.
I will take x square as
44.
common. I'll be
X
getting x
square
square
minus
minus 5x
5x
minus
Plus
24.
5x. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Minus 24.
x minus 8.
22 x bracket open x minus 8.
Now, I
So
want
we
you
can cut
to look at only this expression. This expression. Let me write this
X
again
minus
here.
5x.
And 3.
It should be combination of two different numbers. This middle term is
8 and
sum
3.
minus 5 and the product is minus 24. If we consider minus 8 added to plus 5, we get plus 3, we get minus 5. Minus 8 multiplied to plus 3, we get minus 24. So x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24. This will be the expression. Taking x common, we
Sir,
get x
coming
minus
question.
8 plus 3 taken common, x minus 8. We will be getting x minus 8 into x plus
X plus
3.
3.
X plus 3, sir.
So instead of this, let me write 44x square. Let me change the ink so that you'll understand it better. 44
Sir, in second
x
step, you
square.
have splitted the middle term, sir.
Yes, in this I am taking the middle term and
X
I am
minus
split
8
it.
and
Yes, sir.
X plus 3, sir. Minus 20
Things will get
divided
cancelled
by
here.
22.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Minus
22 and
8x,
44 and 8x minus 8.
22
22
and
into
This
44.
will be 2
22.
times
2x into x plus 3.
2x. 2x. Bracket
x plus
open
3.
x plus 3.
This is the answer.
X plus 3.
Square plus 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, what if the numerator and denominator can't be simplified anymore, sir? What will be the answer that time?
That time you have to retain as it is. So for example,
Yes, sir.
here instead of 22x into x minus 8, if they give x plus 8 here, this will remain. X plus 8 will be there in the denominator.
Yes, sir.
If the question is changed like this. All right.
Yes, sir.
Shovan,
Yes, sir.
doubts cleared?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you try this simplifying? In these questions, we need to expand it. Sometimes some of the terms will get cancelled. For example, first one, if I want to solve,
Yes, sir.
in the first one, we need to expand this. Upon expanding, we get 9x square
9x square.
plus 4y square plus, it will be 12
12xy.
xy. Then there is plus sign. So plus a minus b whole
9x
square is
square
a square, which is 9x square plus b
9
square, which is
plus
4y
b
square
square minus 4y
minus
square.
12xy. Correct.
4
This will be the second step.
Yes, sir.
minus
Yes, sir.
12 xy.
They get cancelled.
Cancel.
We will
Cancel,
be
sir.
getting 18x square
Yes,
plus
sir.
8y
Square
square.
plus 8y
And
square.
then 12
This only is the answer.
So can we write it like that, sir? 8x plus 8y whole square.
8x plus 8y whole square. We cannot write like that.
3x into 3x is equal to
This
9x.
is 18x square. If you want to write, 10x square will be extra, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now,
Sir, can we take
second one.
common?
In this, we can take common if you want. We can take 2 as common.
Sorry. 2x common, sir.
True, sir.
9x
9x
square
square.
plus 4y square.
4y square.
But once you write this is enough for us. This is the answer. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Taking second question now. This is a plus b whole square. Minus of is there. So let
Yes,
me tell the answer. Answer is 24xy. Let's try getting that. 9x square plus 4y
plus
square
2y square
9x
plus
square
4
plus
12xy.
sir plus 4x
Now there is minus.
square minus 4x
So
square.
remaining
Sir,
terms,
minus
let us write it
Sir,
inside the bracket.
9x square
positive, sir.
This will be 9x square plus
plus
4
Y square
4y square
minus
4y
12x.
square
12x square.
minus 12xy.
Now this minus 1
Okay,
to be
sir.
multiplied to three of the terms, we get 9x square plus 4y
9x square
square
plus 4y
4y
square plus
square plus
12xy
Minus
12xy
9x square
minus
9x square
9x
minus
square
4y square plus
minus
12x square.
4y square plus 12xy.
here 9x square
9x and
cancelled. 4y square also cancelled. We will be getting
24xy.
24xy.
For x, y.
24xy.
yes. It's easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's observe
Sir, in
the
the
third
first
one.
one, we can use
In the third, we need to expand this.
Sir, a square plus b square plus 2ab.
This is a plus b whole square minus ab. When a
Yes, sir.
square is done, we will be getting 49 by 81 a
9.
square.
Yes, sir. 81 by
81
49 b
1
square
by 49 b
b
square
square
minus
minus
ab.
two
a.
times
Sorry, sir.
plus
2ab is
2
not there.
times of
Sir, minus
2ab.
7 by
AB,
9
sir.
ab
Into
minus
9 by 7.
9 by 7. Sorry, 7 by 9 a.
Sir, only a. Yes, sir.
So this is only a into b
B.
minus ab. Here, if you observe, this
We
7
can
and
cut
9
7
they
and 9.
cancel.
7979 will cancel, sir.
This will be
2ab, sir.
2ab
2ab,
minus
sir.
2ab minus ab is ab, sir.
AB.
Minus AB
AB,
AB,
sir.
sir.
is
So
equal
the
to part
answer
into
is
AB
Here
square.
also we can cut 49 and 81,
AB.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It is an addition symbol, sir. We cannot cut.
Yes,
we
yes,
should
sir.
not cancel that.
Yes, sir. We cannot cut.
So answer is you will get plus AB.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Similar to third question, we have the fourth
A
question here.
minus b whole square
A minus B whole square.
plus
When we
2xy.
expand, this will be
Yes, sir.
2xy and this 2xy they get cancelled.
Sir, 9 divided by
Yes, sir.
16, sir.
Let us write the
9
answer
divided by
directly. 9 by
square.
16
9 by
x square
16
9
x
square by
square
16
minus 16
plus
by
Square minus
9
16x square
y square
16 y square by 9
divided by 9y square.
Minus
minus 2 into 3 by 4x minus 4.
This is the answer.
This is the answer. Abhinav said
How,
it is,
sir?
Ashutosh said it is minus, actually it is plus.
So plus.
How,
Yes, sir.
sir? Uday is asking, how, sir? Let's explain this. This is the first two terms, Uday.
Sir, minus
Yes, sir.
2xy and plus
Next
2xy
term will
cancel, sir.
be minus 2 times of 3 by 4x into 4 by 3y. This will be the next term.
Yes, sir.
There is plus 2xy. Uday, we can cancel this 4
Yes, sir.
and also 3.
2xy
We get minus 2xy added
2xy,
to
sir.
2xy.
Minus
plus 2xy.
Again they get cancelled.
plus minus cancel.
Yes, sir.
So answer will be only this much.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
the fifth one using identity we get 38 pq 4 ab, sir.
Which one?
Sir,
Fifth
in
one,
fifth one, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, sir.
Correct,
this
sir.
is equal to 4 ab, sir. 38 pq.
Very good. If you expand, you will get the same thing. This will be 1.5 p whole square
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
plus 1.2
12
q
q
whole square
uh,
plus 2 times of 1.5 p
1.5
into
p into
1.2 q. Then there is minus. So minus of 1.5 p whole square plus 1.2 q
1.2
whole
q
square
whole square
minus
minus 2
2 times of 1.5 p into 1.2 q.
0.2 q.
Now if this minus 1 is multiplied, this term will be negative, this term will be negative, this will
Yes,
be
sir.
positive.
Yes, sir.
So 2 times of 1.5 p
2.25
into 1.2 will be what? 2 into 1.5 is 3. 3 times of 1.2 is
3.6.
3.6
sir. 3.6. Yes, sir.
PQ. From here, we have plus 3.6 PQ. The answer is 7.2 PQ. This is the answer.
Yes.
Understood?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer for this will be different because there is plus here.
Yes, sir. Using identity we can write, sir, 2 times of a square plus b square.
So we will be getting 2 times of a square plus 2 times of b square format.
Yes, sir.
So what is 2.5 whole square
Sir, 6.25, sir.
into 2?
6.25.
Sir,
6.25.
6.25 into 2. Sir,
12.5.
1350.
Sir,
It will be 12.5.
12.50.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
12.50, sir.
12.5, sir.
So the answer is
12.50.
12.5 m square plus
Sir, 2.25.
what is
square.
1.5 whole square?
4.5. 4.5, sir. 4.5
Correct,
q
sir.
square.
Because it is 2.25
Into
multiplied
2.
to 2, 4.5. So
4.5
4.5
q square.
q square. This will be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this, we need not do so many things because it is not like an identity. It's direct
Yes,
addition.
sir.
We can directly cancel it, sir.
No, sir, we
Directly
can't cancel.
Sir,
cancel what?
2x square.
Directly
Sir, we can
cancel
Sir,
do
minus 4 and plus 4 will get
X square
cancelled, sir.
minus
2x
Yes,
square
sir.
plus 16.
2x square plus 16. This is the
Plus
answer.
16.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, a minus b whole square
Eighth
plus
one,
2ab.
it is a square b square plus c
plus
square minus
C
2
square.
times of ABC.
Minus
Minus 2.
There is
2ab.
plus 2 times of
2
ABC present. They get cancelled. The
Yes,
answer
sir.
is just a square b square plus c square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is bit difficult.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Are you able to see this as an identity?
yes, sir. A square plus b square minus 2ab.
The identity is
It
a
is
cube
plus
minus b
C.
cube. Identity for this is
A cube plus b
Sir,
cube.
we can write there plus
plus
AB.
b cube. So it is a cube minus b cube minus a cube minus b cube. Answer is minus 2b cube. Confused?
No, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So when you get confusion, don't go for using identity, multiply them. Let us multiply. And while multiplying, we should be very careful because there are minus terms.
Yes, sir.
First, let us take up this. A multiplied to a square is a cube
Yes, sir. A cube minus B
plus,
cube
sorry, sir. A multiplied
minus
to b square is ab square, sir.
ab square.
A multiplied to ab is a
A
square
square
b.
b.
Now we have to multiply minus b to all the terms. Minus b a square
yes,
minus
sir.
b cube minus ab square.
AB square.
Now there is minus of. So minus inside this I am going to multiply. We get a
Sir,
cube plus ab
yes,
square
sir.
minus a square b. Now plus b multiplied to the three terms plus b
A
square.
b.
A square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
B
Plus
cube.
B to b cube, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus
Minus
a b
AB
square.
square. Minus AB square.
now you should not be happy because one more
Sir,
step is there.
we have to change the sign.
Yes,
Sign.
sir.
Plus
We
AB
don't
square plus
multiply
A square
this
B.
one. So these terms I am going to write
Minus
as
a
it is. Now there is change. Minus a cube
Minus A cube.
minus ab
minus
square
ab square plus a square b
Sir, plus
minus
A square
b
B.
a square
Minus B square. Minus
minus
B
b
cube
cube
plus
plus
AB
ab
square.
square.
Let us cancel out the terms now.
A square,
A
A cube and A
A
cube
cube and
minus A cube.
minus A cube.
I am searching where it is there. A cube and minus A cube.
Minus
Minus
A cube.
AB
Plus
square
AB
and
square
minus
Sir,
AB square.
minus
AB
AB
square
square.
and minus AB
Square
square will cancel, sir.
minus AB square cancelled.
A
A
square B.
This is
No
No,
sir,
sir,
this
it will
is
not cancel.
A square B cancelled. This two, which one? This one. They get
sir,
cancelled.
A square B negative is not there.
See here, minus A B
Sir,
square
BA
plus
square
A B square.
minus BA square
Now these are cancelled. What is left out?
minus
Minus
B cube.
B
Two
cube,
AB is P cube.
There are two
2
B cube terms
minus
left out.
2.
So
Yes.
minus 2 B cube. In the
Yes, sir.
earlier also, I had written the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how do you divide A plus B whole square by A minus B whole square?
How do you divide A plus B whole square by A minus B whole square? We will not divide it. We will write as it is.
Sir, we can divide no, sir, trinomial by trinomial, and one answer will come. That we don't know how to do, sir.
Okay, sir. If you don't know how to do, let me give an idea how it can be done.
Sir, we can take separately, sir, each term.
Let me take in this way. This is like writing A square plus B square plus 2AB
Plus 2AB.
divided by A
A
square
square
plus
plus
B square minus 2AB.
Yes, sir.
You cannot
Each
cancel them. What you have to do
Sir,
is go for long division.
A square plus B square plus 2AB.
yes,
Divides
Sir, why
A-
can't we cancel A square and B square?
they are in addition
cannot
and
be
subtraction.
cancelled.
yes, sir.
It should not be cancelled because there is an addition. So what is happening here?
Yes.
It is going back. Oh, what to do?
Sir,
Sir,
we can
box to the left or
erase it,
right,
sir.
sir?
When I do something here, it comes automatically.
Sir,
Sir, clear the
we can
background, sir.
erase the white part, sir.
Create a new slide, sir.
Yes.
Bring it to front. Okay. Now if I write
A square plus B square minus 2AB
A
divided
square
by A
plus B
square.
square minus 2AB
Plus
divide
2AB, sir.
Sir, plus
Not
2AB was there.
correct, sir.
or hey, what is better? We'll take a new slide.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me write. In the denominator, we had A minus B whole square. So A square plus
Yes,
B
sir.
square minus 2AB.
Minus 2AB.
This
Yes, sir. Divided
divides
by
A square
A
plus
square
B
plus
square.
B square plus
square
2AB.
plus 2AB.
Yes,
If you take one time, we get A square plus B square minus 2AB.
Minus 2AB.
You have to go for
yes,
subtracting.
sir.
So we will change the sign. This get cancelled. We will be getting
4AB.
4AB. What is this 4AB?
Sir,
Reminder.
Wait,
reminder, sir.
Reminder, sir.
Sir, then we can do one
Yes,
thing, sir.
answer.
A plus B whole square divided by A minus B whole square is equal to 1 multiplied plus 4AB.
No, 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 no. When you divide this, 2 times is 4. 1 will raise the
2 point.
remainder. We
Yes,
were
sir.
writing
2 as the answer, sir. There.
2 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is 5 by 2.
Also, we can write 2.5, sir.
Or
In that way,
2.5.
if
Yes,
you
sir.
write A
One
plus B whole square divided by A minus B whole square will be equal to
1, sir, 4
1
by
4AB
4AB.
upon A
we
square
have
plus
to
B
we
square
have to
minus 2AB.
we have to add remainder at the last, sir. We can do that, no, sir.
Remainder will be in the denominator 4ab. This is 1. This will
Yes.
be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Let me rewrite here. A square plus b square minus 2ab should be
Whole
written
different.
along with this.
Sir, I
Correct,
have a
correct.
doubt, sir.
But this becomes a new identity, no, sir.
Uh, no one has thought in this process here. If you are thinking that it's a new identity, it's left to you.
Okay.
Yes, Shobhan.
Sir,
Doubt.
sir, that last
Doubt.
last page, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, a square plus b square. First you have root divided by a square. Top by bottom, no, sir. We
Hmm.
can except plus and minus 2ab. We can cancel 2 a square b square totally, no, sir.
When PO asked the same thing, I said it cannot be cancelled. This should not be cancelled,
Sir,
sir.
here, plus minus is no, sir.
Here, it should not be cancelled.
Positive 2ab, negative 2ab, sir.
No,
Both are positive.
it should not be cancelled.
Sir, they are in
Yes, sir.
addition and subtraction.
Addition.
Hmm. Okay, let's take up
Yes.
this.
Yes, sir.
Is there any identity connecting this question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can take
Yes, sir.
no, sir.
X plus a into
B
x
square
plus
minus 1
b.
square.
B plus 7, B minus 7, and
B square minus,
B
no,
plus
sir.
7 whole square minus
There
B
is no
7
identity
whole
connecting
square.
that. What you have to do is go for multiplication.
No, sir. Here B
B
square minus 49 can be written as B plus 7, B minus 7.
What next?
Then B plus 7 whole square minus multiplied to B minus 7 whole square. Minus B minus 7. That's all, sir. Is equal
What
to plus
next?
340.
What next? So we will struck up there. We cannot say what is the next step. So better is multiply b square to both these terms. We get
B,
bq
sir.
plus 7b square minus 49. You multiply to both the terms. Minus
49B.
49b. Minus 49 into 7 is how much?
343.
Minus
343,
343.
sir.
43, sir. Plus
Then there
343
is
cancel.
plus 343. So plus 343 is written along with.
Cancel.
That
Cancels.
it cancels. Yes, we cancel this. This remaining thing is the answer.
Sir,
Yes.
This
sir,
is
we
the
can take
answer.
it as b minus 7 whole square times b plus 7 plus
Sir,
343.
B square into B
If you
equal to
write like
7.
that,
Further we can
b,
solve.
b plus 7 whole square
So don't write
into b
whole square,
minus
write it
7.
twice.
Okay, one more time you write into
Both are
b
same.
minus 7 plus 343.
So the middle two terms we can solve by the identity.
Then again it will become
So
first question.
B plus 7, B minus 7, sir.
If
Sir,
you
We
it is
can
a
get
very
answer.
long
Sir,
process to
B
solve,
square
sir.
Come back to question
here
only,
it
sir.
minus 7 square.
if you multiply b plus 7 into b minus 7, we get b square minus 49. It's the same
Yes.
question,
It is
no?
same, sir. Both are same, sir.
Yes, sir. Same long.
So
Yes,
best
sir.
thing is multiply this so
B
that
B
343 get
equal to B
cancels.
square plus,
Now Uday, yes, what is the doubt?
nothing.
Nothing. Very good, yeah. Look at 11th question.
4 into 5, F.
Add, sir.
Sir, a plus b whole
Sir.
square plus
Yes, sir.
a plus
2
b whole
times
Sir,
of
square.
A plus
2
B whole
times
square,
of
sir.
A plus B whole square, sir.
Here
2
there
times
is
of A plus
A,
B whole
here there is B. Don't get confused.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
both
sir.
are
Yes,
same.
sir.
Times
No.
also
Sir, we can
cancel.
solve them separately, sir.
Not the
Yes,
variables
sir.
are
Solve them
same, sir.
separately.
Variables.
4.5.
4.5
Sir,
when
4.5.
multiplied 2 times, we get 20.25.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We get
Sir,
20.25.
20.25 a square. This 1.5 b whole square is 2.25 b
2.25
square.
Sir, 2.25 b square, sir.
2.25 b square.
Yes, sir. 2.25 b square, sir.
Next
Then
term is plus 2ab.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
plus
So
Hmm.
2ab.
9 times of 1.5.
sir 9.
9 times of
9.
1.5 is not 9, sir. It is 13.5.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
15
13.5.
and
13.5
59.
AB.
35.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
This is
Plus.
only this much.
Yes, sir.
Now there is
Plus.
plus
Yes, sir. Plus
2.25 b square
2.25
Plus
plus
2.25 a square
2.25 a
2.25 a
square
square
plus
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 13.5
13.5
AB.
13.5
b.
a.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the sum of this
20.25
plus this?
For 22.5, sir.
22.5, sir.
22.5, sir.
Yes, sir.
22.5
something.
22.5
a square, sir.
a
A
square
square plus
A square
22.5 B square, sir. Plus 13.5 AB.
Plus
plus plus 27 ab, sir.
27
27
AB.
very good.
27.
27 AB. This is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, how we have added to 20.25 and sir 2.25, sir, they are not like terms.
Hey, I have highlighted this. You can observe here. They are like terms.
A
This
square.
one and this one, they are like terms.
Yes, sir.
Correct? No, b square is there. Here a square is
Yes,
there.
sir.
a square.
Yes, sir.
So
I
like
was
terms should be
thinking of
added up.
numbers, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Look at 12th one.
Yes, sir. PQ minus
Plus
P square Q square and
Let
plus
us
Q
solve
square
it
R
here.
square.
sir.
P
Q
P
that
square q
extra term will
square
get
Q
cancelled, sir.
square Q square
plus q
minus
square r square
R square
minus
plus 2
Minus
minus
2
2
PQ
Q square R.
pq square r
PQ
plus 4pq square r.
Yes,
yes, sir.
it will be equal
So
to
it is p square q
Q
square
square
plus q square r
plus
square
Q square
plus 2P Q
plus
Plus
square.
2p q
plus
square
2
r.
PQ square.
have you got
No,
minus
Q
2 p
PQ
square.
plus
square
QR
r,
whole
sir?
square, sir.
correct? Huh?
Sir, Uday is asking doubt.
Or I will express the same thing as pq plus qr whole square.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Uday is asking doubt. Yes, Uday.
Sir, how the minus 2 p q square r came, sir? Minus 2 p q square r.
By solving it by identity, pq minus qr whole square.
You have understood this, sir?
Yes, sir.
This is a square term. This is b square term.
Yes, sir.
This
2AB term.
particular thing is
2ab.
2ab term.
Yes,
2
sir.
times of pq
PR
multiplied to qr. Q times of q is q square. P and r is written as it is. Okay, Uday, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let us solve this 12th one. It looks difficult. It is looking
Sir,
difficult.
Sir, F
Get
F
this
X to the
easy.
raised to
power
the
4.
power 4 T square plus T
Yes, sir.
square
Yes, for
Plus
4
t
T square
square plus t
multiplied
square
to F square T
Slowly
2 to
we'll
the
write
power
x
4.
to the power
T
4
square
t
T
Yes,
square
square
sir.
T square
plus
T square plus
T square
T
Q4,
square
sir.
plus Q to the
Q4
power 4
what is the next
to the
term?
plus
power 4
plus
square
2
minus
times
2
of
2
into s power 4
plus
t power 4
S
q power
square
4.
T square Q
square
square.
T square.
Shobhan was
Yes,
wrong. We will not get
square.
Power
the power 4. S square, t square, q square
Yes,
only we
sir.
get.
Because this whole square is just
yes.
Minus.
Yes, sir. Minus 2 S
STQ whole square.
4
x square t square q square.
Is it correct?
square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Correct.
Yes.
sir, they will be cancelled, sir.
Which will be cancelled,
Plus
sir?
2. Sir,
Cancel not happen, sir.
Sir,
25
it will
minus
come
4,
minus 2.
21, sir.
Minus will come, sir.
It will
yes,
not be
sir.
cancelled. We get minus 2
Minus 2
Yes,
S
sir. Minus 2
Square t
Square
square q
square
square.
t square y square, sir.
y square.
62 to the
Is it correct?
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, t
Sir, we
t
can
square.
write
t square, sir.
5
S square
STQ whole
t.
square minus 2 STQ whole square, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
2
why it
no,
Is
came
it correct
no,
now?
sir.
t to the
It
power
is
4?
R, sir.
No, sir.
R, yes.
25 S square T square Q square can be written as 5 STQ whole square. And 4 S square T square Q square can be written as 2 STQ
Sir,
whole
we
square.
can write S square t plus q square minus, sir. Minus.
S square t plus, sorry, minus
Minus, sir. Minus t q square whole
whole
square,
square.
sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
can take common.
Yes. It was difficult?
No, sir.
No,
Sir.
sir.
Sir, I have doubt in last question, sir, which you solved now.
Okay,
The
sir.
last slide.
Yes.
Sir, how you obtain minus 2, sir? Minus 2 S square, T square, and Q square.
By
T
minusing 2
minus
S
4
square
is
T
minus
square
2.
Q square
Sir,
minus
it is
4
Plus
S square T
identical,
minus
square Q
4
square.
is minus
It is
2.
25, 45 minus
It's
25
not
is
25.
It
It's
is, sir.
2
S
x square
square.
t
It is
square
yes.
q square.
Yes.
Yes.
You were
2
asking
yes.
doubt in this, sir?
Sir, I
Sir,
was
no,
thinking
sir.
that
It is
it was
saying that
20, it is
it was
25 and
20.
45, sir.
You are
They
9
thought
plus
it
S plus
is
5, sir.
25 and 45.
I have written yes like that. You can change it. This is yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
In this 85th question, we have to use a suitable identity and we have to expand.
Sir, A
Sir, A
square.
plus B whole
Yes,
square,
Sir,
sir.
A plus B whole square.
X square, Y square,
whole square.
X square y square
Y
plus
square,
y square
Z,
z
Y
square
square and Z
plus
square,
2xy
2,
yz.
2x
2xy square z.
2x,
Y square plus y square, the square, sir. Then 2x.
sir, X to the power 4, Y square,
Minus sign in front of
X to the
2x
power
plus
4, Y
Y
square,
square
plus X square, Y to the power
plus
4,
X square
Y
minus
square
2,
minus x
Minus
square
power
y to the
3,
power
Y
4.
to the power 3.
2
Y to the power 4 minus 2 x to the power 3 y to the power 3.
Sir, 16 upon 25 A square plus 25 upon 16 B, Y square, B square, sorry.
25 upon
16
16
divided by
16
25
divided
x
by
square
25
25.
a
square
square
plus
25
25
upon
by
25
16 b square
B
16 b
square
square
plus
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 2 into 4 by
2
5 in
4
A
by
plus
5
into
ab
5 by
yes
4
sir,
B.
2ab, sir. 2ab.
plus 2ab sir.
2 AB,
They
sir.
will get cancel sir.
correct?
5 cancel. Yes
Very
sir.
good.
Cancel.
Very good.
2ab.
They will
yes sir.
cancel, sir.
Sir, 4 by
4
9
by
x square
9
4 by
Nine
9
x
square
x
sorry
square
plus
plus
Minus
9
9
4
4
9
y
y
square
4
square
y square
minus 2
minus
minus
2
2xy.
x
xy.
xy minus 2 xy. Yes, sir.
Sir, it is
16 by 20
16 by 20 p square
P
plus
square plus
16
25
by
P square
25 p
plus
square.
Plus
25 by 9
25 by
q square
9
9
q
q
square
square
plus
Sir,
minus
it should be 25,
2
sir.
4
minus 2 4
Sir,
divided
it
by
should be
4 by 3,
25.
sir.
Sir, it should be 16 upon 25, sir.
25, sir. Yes, sir.
8 by 3.
8 by 3.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
8
8 by 3 pq.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir 2 into 4 divided by 3 pq is equal to
Which will get
I get
8 by
cancelled?
cancelled. Yes,
Which will
sir.
get
5
cancelled?
5
So,
5 5.
Only 5 will get cancelled.
sir.
Yes,
2
sir.
and 4 8 by 3. P.
4 by 3
Yes, sir.
with
4
sir,
into
4 by
2
3.
upon
Very
3.
good.
yes sir
Yes.
Sir, x No, sir.
X square plus 10x plus
X
21.
plus A into X plus
Sir,
B.
it
X
is
square
Sir,
plus
X
A
square,
plus
sir.
B.
One.
Sir,
Plus
one.
Square plus
Square
3
no,
Sir,
plus
X
1
is
21.
plus
x
21,
plus
sir.
plus
7
10x
sir. 21 sir.
Sir, it is
Into
21x. Sir. It is
Am I
21x.
correct in
X
this?
square minus 14.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is identity sir.
X
X square
square
plus
Sir,
7x
4x square.
plus 3x
4x
plus AB
Square
sir.
plus 7
Plus
sir.
2 plus 4x, sir. Plus
3x
4x.
plus 40
Minus sir. Minus
21 sir.
Plus 4.
Then we get
Plus
10x
4x.
Minus 63.
10x plus x square
Yes, sir.
plus 21.
16
I
x
don't know
square
whether
by
it is
25.
right or
sir.
wrong.
Sir, 16x square upon 25
2 is equal to
It
4x
is
square
correct, sir.
sir. Plus
x plus c plus x.
minus
plus
Is it correct?
sir.
3y square.
It is correct, sir.
No sir.
plus 2
2x.
plus
Sir,
2x.
it's wrong, sir.
How
4x
did I get
square
4x
minus
there?
49.
Sir, x is
Sir.
2x only, sir. 2x
Plus
into
2x.
Sir, x square into a plus b multiplied to x into ab, sir.
What is a plus b into x?
A
What will
minus.
be this term?
Sir, 2 into 2x,
Sir,
sir. 2 into
9
2x.
minus 7, sir.
9 and 7 is a and b,
2.
sir. And
Multiplied
x
by
is
2x.
2x.
Sir,
2 into
sir,
2,
it
4,
is
sir.
correct,
2x.
sir.
2x.
Correct.
4x.
4x. Yes,
AB
sir.
term.
9,
9 into
Minus 7
9
into 9.
into minus 7.
7.
Minus
Sir, 9
63.
into minus 7, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
2x square minus.
if you are good at thinking fast, you can solve it in a easy way. Otherwise, same question in the exam, it will be difficult.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, same question is there for exam, sir.
I don't know, sir.
No.
He's asking.
Sir, it will be 16x square upon 25 plus
16 square by 25.
3y square.
Sir,
Is there
16
any identity
Y
here?
divided by
by
25.
16.
12 xy divided by 20.
Plus 20.
Is there any identity?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes
X
sir.
X
square.
plus A plus
X
X
plus
plus
B.
B, sir.
It
Square,
will be
eh?
identity
X
sir.
square
Plus A
into
times
a
X
plus b
plus
multiplied
B.
to x into ab.
There is no identity connecting this.
It is there, sir. No, sir. Not there,
X
sir.
plus A
Here we
Sir,
have
Three
X
will
plus
be there
a,
A
sir.
we have
times
Identity.
three
X
y.
plus B.
B,
Sir,
sir.
Sir, it
X
is
plus
yes, sir.
X
A into
plus
X
Identity.
plus
A.
B, sir.
Very good, very
X plus
good.
A
X
into
plus A
sir.
into
X
x
plus
plus
A
b.
plus X by.
If you use x plus A into x plus b identity, what will
16
be x square term?
16x
16
square.
x
X
square
square
by
by
25.
25.
X
This is
plus
x
A.
square term plus A plus
sir.
b
Sir, sir,
Y
4x.
by 4 plus 3
4
by
y
y
by 4
into
multiplied
into 4 by 5x. 4 by 5x, sir.
Into 4 5x.
plus AB.
Into yes, sir. 4 by y into 3 y by
Further
4.
solving, sir.
So
Further
what is
solving
the
16 x
identity,
square by
sir?
25
Identity is
plus
X
A
plus
plus x
X square.
and A
X
plus
square
b.
A
plus
times
plus
X plus
Plus A.
A plus B multiplied to
Uday plus Ashutosh multiplied to Uday plus Abhinav. What will be that? Uday
Uday
square
square
Sir, Uday square
Plus
Abhinav Ashutosh
Ashutosh plus
Abhinav plus
Abhinav
Ashutosh into Uday
into
Abhinav
Uday
Uday sir.
plus
plus Ashutosh into
plus X
Uday.
plus into Abhinav.
Abhinav into Ashutosh.
yes sir.
Correct? Huh?
Yes,
Yes sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. What will be sum of this?
4xy by 5 sir.
4y by 4,
Y
sir.
sir.
4
Y sir.
by
It will
4.
be equal to y sir.
4y
4xy
by
4y
4.
divided
What
by
we
y
get
by
is
5.
this
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
plus
3y by 4.
16.
okay, sir.
3y by 6. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Finish.
sir.
Now the time is complete.
Yes, sir.
I want you to solve this 9th, 10th, and
Yes, sir.
Yes,
also
sir.
Yes, sir. We will do it.
हो जाएगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We will do it, sir.
I had shared the file yesterday. I don't know how many of you have gone through that. Please note these questions.
Yes, sir.
9th, 10th, followed by this.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you show
Then
ninth?
if there is
Sir?
both
9th,
numbers
10th
and
are there in
linear
class.
equations, sir, then why there is no linear inequalities, sir?
Linear inequalities are also there, sir. It is not there for your
Sir,
syllabus, but it is there. You know the meaning of inequality?
Yes, sir.
sir,
The equal, sir.
they will put integer one number and one more number, whole number, sir. We have to find it is a mixture of linear equation and integer whole number, all numbers.
If I say that it is not equal to 5, we can find the value of x.
Inequality, sir.
Yes, sir.
X
Okay.
square plus 2x plus
I will
7.
not tell you the
Something
complete details.
simultaneous
It is also
equations, sir.
there.
Yes, sir.
Simultaneous equations, sir.
Sir, it is not equal, sir.
In class 11th, you have a chapter called as inequality. In that, it is there.
Yes,
Have you noted these
sir.
questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.